Hello students, in this video lecture I will explain you about how to find out particular integral or particular solution. So basically there are many methods to find out the particular integral. So we will discuss all these methods one by one. Now as we know, what is the general form of linear differential equation, higher order linear differential equation? So it is phi of d into y is equal to f of x, where phi of d, it is the, as we know, what is this d? So d is the differential operator, dy dx. So phi of d, it is the nth degree polynomial in d, and this is the standard form of nth order linear differential equation with constant coefficients. So if I want to mention what is phi of d, so it is simply a naught d raised to n plus a1 d raised to n minus 1, you continue in this way, plus an minus 1d plus an. So where this a0, a1, a2, an, these are constants. So this is the general form of linear differential equation. This is the function which is on the right hand side. Now corresponds to this linear differential equation, there are two equations. One is non-homogeneous. So non-homogeneous means here f of x is non-zero, and second one is homogeneous. So homogeneous means it corresponds to phi of d into y is equal to 0. So solution of this differential equation consists of two parts. One is complementary function, which is the solution of this differential equation, and second one is particular integral. So in my earlier classes I have told you about how to find out complementary function for such type of differential equation. So in this lecture I will mainly focus on particular integral, or which is also called as particular solution. Now for this, in order to calculate particular integral, see first method it is called general method. Why it is called general? Since it is applicable for all the functions f of x which is on the right hand side. See, general methods or methods to find out particular integral, they are mainly based on this f of x, because f of x, it plays the significant role in getting particular integral. So general method, first one is general method, and one important result is there in general method. Now what is that result? It is 1 upon d minus m, where m is any constant, which is operated on f of x. So let us say f of x is some function of x. So is equal to e to the power mx into e to the power integration of minus mx f of x into dx. So this result is very important in getting particular integral with the help of general method. Now why is it so? How to prove this result? It is not difficult. So just look at this part. So if I say y is equal to 1 upon d minus m operated on f of x. So multiply both sides by d minus m. So d minus m into y. So d minus m into 1 upon d minus will cancel. So is equal to f of x. So this is dy by dx minus my is equal to f of x. So as we know, it is first order, first degree linear differential equation. So get the integrating factor and its solution. Okay, and you obtain the solution of this integration linear differential equation for the case c is equal to 0. So you will get value of y is this, e to the power mx into e to the power integration of e to the power minus mx f of x dx. So please do remember this result. It is very important in general method, and do this as an exercise. It is not difficult. Now, so with the help of this, I can also obtain the result for 1 upon d plus m operated on f of x. See, there is one way to remember this result. See, if here is minus sign, then here is plus, and then again minus. So alternate plus minus signs are there. So using this, I write the result for 1 upon d plus m operated on f of x. So it is e to the power, now here is plus, so e to the power minus mx integration of e to the power mx f of x into dx, or in other way you replace this m by minus m everywhere, you will get this result. And if m is equal to 0, then what will happen? So e to the power 0 is 1, and here is also e to the power 0 is 1. So simply integration of f of x dx. So it is also valid expression, because once we are saying that capital D stands differential operator, so of course 1 upon d, its inverse operator is what? It gives us integration. Okay. So this result and this result and this result, all these three results, they are very important. Now I will use this result in what? How to get